wake the streets up. Yeah, yeah, okay, wake the streets up.
Welcome to Medicos Pharma. Today we are discussing more questions in pharmacy related topic. Let's start. First question: a disadvantage of chloral hydrate is option A, lack of absorption, option B, rapid elimination, option C, lack of chemical stability, option D, disagreeable odor. Correct answer: disagreeable odor. This is the reason because it is a commonly dispensed in capsule form or the highly flavored syrup form because of its disagreeable odor. The next question: the non-aqueous vehicle used in injection is option A, alcohol, option B, glycerol, option C, alcoholic sodium stearate, option D, vegetable oil. Correct answer: option D, vegetable oil. We commonly use the peanut or cottonseed oil for this purpose. Okay. Next question: the boiling point of alcohol is 78 degrees Celsius. The corresponding temperature in degree Fahrenheit is option A, 46, option B, 10, option C, 172, option D, 156. Correct answer: option C, 172. The calculation part I have shown below. Okay. Next question: Ritodrin, the brand name is Vitapur, is used to control option A, diarrhea, option B, vomiting, option C, preterm labor, option D, pernicious anemia. Correct answer: option C, preterm labor. Ritodrin is an effective uterine relaxing agent. Next question: an advantage of iodophos over iodine solution is option A, easier application, option B, increased antiseptic activity, option C, less pain on wounds, option D, none of the above. Correct answer: less pain on the wounds. This iodine complex, which is a non-corrosive and as it is free from iodine, therefore this is the main advantage of iodophos over iodine solution. Next question: in young children, tetracycline often cause option A, agranulocytosis, option B, discoloration of teeth, option C, conjunctivitis, option D, hyperplasia of the gum. Correct answer: discoloration of the teeth. This is because we know that our teeth which contain calcium, the tetracycline has more affinity towards calcium, which is an irreversible discoloration over the tooth. Okay, this is mainly caused during the tooth forming years. Next question: the incubation period for mumps in humans is usually option A, 14 to 21 days, option B, 7 to 14 days, option C, 1 to 7 days, option D, 21 to 30 days. Correct answer: option A, 14 to 21 days. The average incubation period is 18 days. Okay. Next question: an organ of the body that is often damaged permanently by rheumatic fever is the option A, lung, option B, kidney, option C, liver, option D, heart. Correct answer: heart. The rheumatic fever which cause weakness of our heart valves mainly. Next question: Biavax 2 is used for immunization against option A, rubella and mumps, option B, mumps and whooping cough, option C, mumps and measles, option D, rubella and measles. Correct answer: rubella and mumps, option A. This is which is a mixture. The Biavax 2 is a mixture of the live mumps and rubella virus. Okay. Next question: which of the following drugs are absorbed mainly from the stomach? Option A, alkaline, option B, neutral, option C, acidic, option D, all of the above. Correct answer: acidic. Ionization is depressed at the acidic pH of the stomach. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Waiting for next video. We will discuss more questions in pharmacy related topic. Thank you.